Yo, we wanna be free. And on the battlefield of life I stand, with nothing left but open hands. Warrior's path, the saints demand. Your wish is mine, your will commands. Father, take this cup from me. If it is your will, let me be free. But if I must, I'll bleed, I'll fight. For you are my day, my death, my now. Sacrifice, my life is yours forever. Even in the flames of hell, I'll serve you better. Not my will, but yours be done. Father, use me till the final battle's won. Yeah. Think yourself as dead, I hear the call. I've lived my life, now I give it all. An offering placed before your throne. My breath, my blood, no longer my own. I lay my burdens at your feet. Anxiety surrender, my soul complete. Grace transforms the broken pain. Peace eternal in your reign. Sacrifice, my life is yours forever. Even in the flames of hell, I'll serve you better. Not my will, but yours be done. Father, use me till the final battle's won. Saints have walked this road before, with scarred hands and hearts of war. Martyrs cried, yet held their ground. In sacrifice, your love was found. So take these years, what's left of me. Make me the servant you wish to see. A vessel forged in holy fire, a soul consumed with one desire. Sacrifice, eternal vow unbroken. Through sword and flame, my spirit's token. Not my will, but yours be done. Father, reign in me till kingdom come. Your will, not mine. Your will, not mine. Your cross is my sign. Forever I serve. Forever I fight. For love is my death, and love is my life.
Your will, not mine. Your cross is my sign. Forever I serve, forever I fight. For love is my death, and love is my life. Evermore.